Ganofins, this is your Ganofins here, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to tell how you can create a C++ program for doing factorial, so you can make your life easy, easy. So let's start it. As you can see on our screen, there is this header file include IOStream. IOStream include IOStream is a header file. This is using namespace std, and we are working in dev C++, guys. Here it is integer. Main is a function. Return 0 is to tell the compiler that you can stop the compilation now, compiler. That's why return is for actually. Let's start it. For factorial, as you all know, guys, if you input a value such as 3, do the factorial of 3. You all know how a factorial program works. It will do 3 into 2 into 1, and this multiplication will got stored into a single variable and it will display in your program. So let's try it. We will surely need around, I guess, 2 variables. Let's consider these. Okay, now I already taught you guys about the for loop. If you don't know about for loop, you can watch my videos, C++ tutorial. I mean, you can also use while loop. You can also use do while loop. But now here I am going to use the for loop, guys, because I love it. So let's use it. Okay, I'm going to start this for loop from the user input. The value user is going to give to the compiler, to the whatever. Okay, just leave it. A, let's consider A be the value which user is going to give. Okay, I need to write some messages before that. Enter a number, peps. Now, after that, we need to write our condition. This is the initialization, as you know about for loop. And after that, we need to write our condition. It should be greater than equals to 0, not equals to. It should be greater than 0, and here the decrement operator. Now we have to store the value into a variable, into a new variable. So we need to declare one more variable here, which we are going to call it as b. And here, okay, I didn't store the value of a. We need to write the c in statement here and a here. Now we have to write b equals to b plus a. You can say that. Sorry, not a, I actually. Now it will store. You can also write this baby. Now this logic is perfect. I guess so. You can check it by yourself. Well, let me write the C out statement here, guys, and we are going to print the value of b here. Now let's check. Let's insert a's value 3, and here it will come, and it gives the value of a to I, and here condition will going to check 3 is greater than 0, which is true. Now let me initialize the value of b from 0, and here b equals to 0 plus, sorry, I can't write here as 0. I just need to change it. My logic is not perfect. Okay. I have to write it here 0 now. Now I need to remove this parentheses. Now let's check our logic. Here value of I is 3. 3 plus 0. 3 is going to store in b. Now the loop will again run, and now value will of I will become 2. 2 plus 3 here. Now 5 will store in b. Again it will run. 1 Now the value of I will become 1. 1 is greater than 0. True. So now here it will be, I don't think our factorial program is working. So there is some mistake, guys. Think about it. I am giving you guys 5 seconds to think a perfect logic for our factorial program, guys. Think. If you guys found the logic, then it's great. If you didn't, just please make more efforts. Please do it, guys. You can do it. There is only a single mistake in this program. Let me tell you, if it didn't find the, that's it. Now let's check it. Let's take the input as 5. Now, here the value of A is 5 and 5 will store in I, and here B's value is 0. We need to uh, assign the value of B as 1. Now, that's perfect. 1 multiplied by 5, it will store in B. Again, this loop will run, and here now the value of I will become 4. Now 5 into 4, which is 20 again, and this will run up to 1. On last one, the value of B will become 120. Let's try to run it, guys. F11, that means compile and run. Enter a number, babes. Let's try about 5. 120, that's our factorial. Yeah, let's try to run it again and tell me a number, guys, of what you want to see the factorial. 7. 50 40, I don't know about 7's factorial, whether it is 50 40 is or not. Well, I am absolutely correct. The factorial of 7 is 50 40. Well, I hope you guys understood how you can make a factorial program in C++. If you have any question or query regarding to this program, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Well, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that red button. Don't forget to hit that bell icon for getting notified on my every upload on my YouTube channel, for getting updates. So thank you guys for watching.